Everybody likes what is of good quality, genuine, and perfect, both in products and services. That's exactly what we provide here at My Sense Products Limited. We produce 100% perfect, fresh, and soft tissues, 2-ply white toilet tissues, extra soft, and also we produce paint buckets of different sizes for paints. We also sell jumbo reels. My Sense Products. You will love the texture for use at every occasion. You will feel it fresh and soft. It sure makes sense. That's why we are MS My Sense. Visit us at My Sense Way by Benin Abraka Bypass, Idogbo, Benin City, or call 0810-368-8900 or 0803-086-4613. Distributors wanted. My Sense Products Limited. We're talking about 100% perfect, fresh, and soft tissues.
Is the best tissue!
Hello my people, now good morning or good afternoon and good evening to every one of you depending on where you for the watch this video from. This particular video when I see so now land wey dey for sale. This land now e dey market and the size of the land now 1x2 and the location now between Obaretin and Ubiaza. But specifically, the land na Ubiaza community dey off Sapele Road for Benin City. So the land na you see so na Ubiaza community dey. So you see dey close to Obaretin. That's why I mention Obaretin community inside as well. So my people, this land it dey a very good location. As you can see, the landscape of the land is still well intact. And from the look of things, the land not be like area won't be say erosion go give wahala to at all. So you see even sand dey inside the land as well. And they don't fence around as you can see. So houses already dey that vicinity when they see they develop as well. And you see even blocks, the mud blocks inside. The house is fenced around with gate. You see so na a very good location at the land dey. So anybody will get any interest for the land can as well put a call to this our number when you see for the screen, so we can take it further with you, so that we can also contact the seller as well, so that to let her know say yes, so buyer.com. So the asking price, the money they put for this land, so now 8.5 million naira with negotiable. At least you see negotiator. Don't be saying that one be the price, and you negotiate. If the seller say yes, say the money you bring, say you want, the person fit go ahead with the land and if sell land to you. Not be so when you show you the land or you come out. No. Will it give you the location, how you take locate this community, so where this land dey, because our work what they do for here, we dey do in a way that it go dey easy for people when we get interest. So we dey show you the land. Now not be saying that you don't know where the land dey. We dey show you land. No, it doesn't work like that. Now you see and say we'll come out now, enter back, show now the land from where you first start and the road where you fit locate the land. So now we want to do so. So shortly, we go enter bike, take una to this place from Sapele Road. From this land, so we go enter bike, we go take una to the place for Sapele Road. How you go fit enter in case say you want to locate the land, so that you go know how it be. See, this one they go on that place. So this one, now see road with this one. This one they go one side, and you see boko bamboo for everywhere. Then the road when link the land from the other side. Now still be this one. So now here in case although some bamboo stick it don't cover road, that not be issue anyway. I think with time all these places they will remove on with time. And now we go enter bike, so that we'll go show now how you fit locate this land in case you get interest. It's okay. Maybe for viewing, you want to view because sometimes now you say na camera for seeing. I'm not sure. May I go see live and direct. So to follow up is quite easy to locate. Now for you to just from Sapler Road, just enter, just like as I did describe for you. So this person which is at the back man will carry us on the place. So now be that, and right now right away, one jumpy for back now. Then we'll go show now where the land for the conf all the way from Sapler Road, where the road to locate this land where for start. You see this one now, this one a house, maybe see the already roof, the already developer. So my people, make you enjoy the view and see how it goes. Thank you so much.
So now this road lead to the junction now, they show us so. This one lead to our junction. How about that? hope you'll find where it's stored. Oh wait. this very junction. So when I did so, I just want to go Santana Market towards to Ring Road. So this very one, so that's how they go Worry. You need Worry Road, right? This is the main junction of the community, about the community and the main community where I go video just now. So I did the junction. My people take on time to watch this video.
Everybody likes what is of good quality, genuine and perfect both in products and services. That's exactly what we provide here at My Sense Products Limited. We produce 100% perfect fresh and soft tissues, 2-ply white toilet tissues, extra soft, and also we produce paint buckets of different sizes for paints. We also sell jumbo reels. My Sense Products, you will love the texture for use at every occasion. You will feel it fresh and soft. It sure makes sense. That's why we are MS My Sense. Visit us at My Sense Way by Benin Abraka Bypass, Idogbo, Benin City, or call 0810-368-8900 or 0803-086-4613. Distributors wanted. My Sense Products Limited. We're talking about 100% perfect fresh and soft tissues.
He's the best!